Evening. My Vivint Element Thermostate says battery expired with a check mark below it. I replaced the batteries with new ones recently. Now the thing doesn't respond and I am getting hot air instead of cold air, but it still shoots the sun flake.
What element model do you have? How old is it?
How do I tell? Is it on the inside of the panel?
The TV expert will show you how to do that. Anything else you'd like to add before I connect you?
No. Just want it to function normally again. Thank you.
When the thermostat indicates dead battery and they have been replaced, this generally means the thermostat has failed. You can try blowing the thermostat out with compressed air, sometimes that will help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.